Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for GoCardless. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in GoCardless.com and search. Once you get to the official web page of GoCardless, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. To sign up for a new account, you will need to enter an email address. Type in a valid email address and click on Get Started. On the next page, finish signing up by filling in rest of the information. Enter your first name and then your last name, the organization's name, select your country, your business type, and then enter your work phone, create a minimum 12 characters long password, and select your annual turnover. After filling in all of the information in the boxes, click on I agree at the bottom and click Get Started. You will now receive a verification email sent to the registered email inbox. Click on the Next button and follow through the prompts. Select your goals, select your package you would like to go on with, and enter more information about your business. Click on Continue once you are done and enter the rest of the information if needed. Next, you might need to enter the payment volumes information. Select from the drop down and enter your expectation to collect next year via GoCardless. Enter the rest of the information and then you will need to enter your social security number, select your country and click on Continue. Follow through the prompts till the end and then you will be able to sign up for GoCardless. And that is how you can easily sign up for GoCardless in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.